How to strike through your text in Google Docs. Simply select your text, then head to Format at the top, Text, and you will see all of the options for the text like bold, italic, underline, and there's also strike through. And there's also a shortcut that you may kind of found handy if you do it a lot. So in Mac is Command-Shift-X, on Windows is Control-Shift-X. So here it is. After I click that, I got strike through. Let's try it once more. This time I will just use the shortcut, alright? So I just select that, I press Command-Shift-X, and it's strike through. We got this line striking the text. So it's not here at the top in those like 3 most common use things, but you can just select your text, head to Format, Text, strike through. It's over here. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.